part of the beach looks really fun because here we are on this rock, and then if you're feeling hot, you just jump into the water. Yeah, just got to be a bit careful here because it's a bit slippery. Yeah, but it sure looks fun. Look at them. It's quite an amazing feel to be back here 10 years later. I can only remember of my first trip walking the beach and having a simple meal with my friend. And today I'm seeing it again with these guys and feeling the flamenco soul of this city. We're heading towards the barrio de Santa Maria. That's quite a well-known barrio quarters. It's getting really hot and we're all really sweltering here, but alright, better nice and sunny than cold. Yeah, I'm from the tropics. Sun's better. Hey!